welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my desk. I went into a dark, deep hole on 5-minute crafts. So I thought it would be cute for me to try a few things. There was like a wrapping paper one, there was like this making like a bauble wreath with a coat hanger one. I thought maybe I could try and make like my own, but with like a Polaroid picture or something, or like a picture, so then it's like a photo frame. It's like it sits there and it's a photo like sitting there, or yeah, you put your phone on it and it's like boom, it's an iPhone stand. You know what, can you even see that in the frame? I got the one wire hanger that is in the house. Okay, we shape it out. Oh my Jesus. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Ah! Okay, so the idea is that you turn it from a coat hanger into a like pretty wreath thing. So it's like a circle. Hey, that's not, it's coming together. Ah! Ah! Okay, and then I have a bag of leftover baubles. You put the wire through the little holes here at the top, the little loops. So some of these should fit it. Okay. Oh, cute. Okay, let's try and do this in some kind of... So a lot of these have these big hoops, so I don't think it's gonna look as nice. Oh, there's a little birdie. Because I'm not gonna go out and buy a bunch of new ones. I'd rather just use what we have left. And I just instantly realized that we definitely don't have enough. That's okay. We can figure it out. Oh, okay, maybe I'll put a snowflake on this side. Cute. Aw, there we go. Look at that. Cute. Okay. Let's see what's next. Oh. Alright, this is it. So they cut up a minstrel pad into a Christmas tree, and then they put it on a lint roller, and then they paint the little trees made of the pad and roll it along brown paper. I don't actually use pads though, but I have tampons, oh shit, and dried up useless makeup wipes. I'll figure it out. So I think I will try this first, because this makeup wipe is just so dry and dead, and rather than putting it in the bin, I was like, oh, it's totally like thin enough to do this. Pads do so well is because they're like absorbent, I guess. Okay, oh, what am I doing? Okay. Focus. Okay, it's a nice janky little tree, and then we're gonna lay it on here. Oh shit, it sticks on. Ah! That was the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. Yeah, you're nice and flat. I'm excited. This might turn out awesome. You know what would be cool? If this works, then I'll paint like little like balls on it, like baubles and stuff. That's gonna look so cute. Okay, so I've decided I'm gonna just load up the paint. Okay. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm gonna film it on my phone as well so we can get a better angle. of this triumphant moment. Okay, we're doing it. Oh. I'm sorry? Okay, I need both hands, I'm sorry. Okay, so the makeup wipe has peeled off. Okay, I clearly underestimated the thickness that you need for the pad, so... Right. The colour's lovely. Okay, let's try the tampons. That sticks on firm, okay. What if I just did like... Yeah, okay, cool. And then I'll do like green and red little like dots and we'll see how we go, shall we? So we'll do green. Why do I look like I've lost my marbles? Okay, then there's this, which is already stained nice and red, so it's perfect. At least this way, the roller isn't gonna get stuck to the paper. Okay, I have my weapon. Let's see how we go. Roll. How cute! Well, it's kind of cool. Alright, are we ready? Are we ready? I'm gonna focus. Oh. Oh. Look, what if I get some fresh tampons and paint little trees on them? Let's see how that goes. Look at that. Sick. Kind of looks like a tree. Let's try that again. Cool. Moment of truth. Next, I'm going to try and recreate one of these, but with some cardboard and then paint them cute and then possibly put like a Polaroid picture on it. So I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to get this outline of this. I think the most important parts are obviously the legs and these dents here. Oh, which I'll need to cut out. Do I have a Stanley knife handy? I don't think I do. I am just using a bit of board from the back of a pad that I just finished. God, this is already looking terrible. Oh. Oh. I don't know why I got a knife, but I just did. Ah! How do people do this? Beautiful. Now I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint this pink. Ah! So cute. It has dried, and I decided to paint the Polaroid like pink. I don't know. This is clearly just experimentation. You were going through before I painted them closed. Oh my god. Right. Look at that. I'll stick this there. Won't that be cute? Look, I know it's not cute, but we're dealing with it. Now I would use glue, but I don't have any handy. How cute's that? And then you put your phone on it when you want to watch YouTube, and then you rest it on there and you watch.